Hi, Tom. How are you?
Hi, Lisa. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What do you usually do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth and have breakfast. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I do some exercise and then have breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat cereal and drink orange juice. Sometimes I have toast. What do you eat?
I like to eat fruit and yogurt. I also drink a cup of tea. What do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I go to work. I start work at 9 a.m. What do you do?
I go to school. My classes start at 8:30 a.m. How do you get to work?
I take the bus to work. It takes about 30 minutes. How do you get to school?
I walk to school. It is very close to my house. What do you do at work?
I work in an office. I type on the computer and answer phone calls. What do you do at school?
I study many subjects like math, science, and English. I also play sports. What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m. Then, I go home and have dinner. What time do you finish school?
I finish school at 3 p.m. After school, I do my homework and sometimes go to the park. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes, I go for a walk. What do you do in the evening?
I like to relax and listen to music. I also like to call my friends. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I try to get enough sleep. What about you?
I go to bed at 9:30 p.m. I read a little before I sleep. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to play guitar and paint. What about you?
I like to draw and play tennis. We should play tennis together sometime.
Yes, that would be fun. Let's plan a game soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Tom.
See you, Lisa. Have a great day.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
Hi, Jake. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What are you eating?
I am eating a salad. It is very fresh. What about you?
I am eating a sandwich. I like sandwiches.
Sandwiches are good. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love cheese pizza. What about you?
I like pizza too, but my favorite food is pasta. It is very tasty.
Pasta is good. Do you like spaghetti?
Yes, I like spaghetti with tomato sauce. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. I also like macaroni and cheese. Do you like macaroni and cheese?
Yes, I do. It is very cheesy and delicious. Do you like vegetables?
Some vegetables. I like carrots and cucumbers. What about you?
I like many vegetables. My favorites are broccoli and spinach.
That's healthy. Do you like fruits?
Yes, I love fruits. My favorite fruit is strawberries. What about you?
I like apples and bananas. They are sweet and easy to eat.
Apples and bananas are good. Do you like dessert?
Yes, I love dessert. My favorite is chocolate cake. What about you?
I like ice cream. It is very cold and sweet. Do you have a favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor is vanilla. What is your favorite flavor?
I like chocolate and strawberry. They are very tasty.
Ice cream is great. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook. I often help my mom in the kitchen. Do you cook?
Sometimes I help my dad make breakfast on weekends.
That's nice. What do you make for breakfast?
We make pancakes and scrambled eggs. Do you like pancakes?
Yes, I love pancakes with syrup. Do you put anything on your pancakes?
Yes, I like to put butter and syrup. Sometimes I add fruit.
That sounds delicious. We should cook together sometime.
Yes, that would be fun. Let's plan it soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Jake.
See you, Emily. Have a great day.
Hi, Laura. How are you?
Hi, Kevin. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to paint and draw. It is very relaxing. What about you?
I like to play guitar. I play every day. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I like to listen to pop and rock music. What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music. I also play rock songs on my guitar. Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't. But I would like to learn piano someday.
That's a great idea. Piano is a beautiful instrument. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I like to bake. I make cakes and cookies. Do you like baking?
Yes, I like to bake too. My favorite is making chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies are delicious. I also like to try new recipes. Do you cook?
Sometimes. I like to make pasta and salads. What about you?
Yes, I cook every day. I like to make healthy meals. Do you have a favorite dish?
My favorite dish is spaghetti with meatballs. It is very tasty. Do you have a favorite dish?
I love sushi. It is my favorite food. Have you tried sushi?
Yes, I have. It is very good. I like it with soy sauce. Do you eat sushi often?
Yes, I eat sushi once a month. It is a special treat for me. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to go for a walk and play soccer with my friends. What about you?
I like to read books and watch movies. Do you like to read?
Yes, I do. I like adventure books. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite book is Harry Potter. It is a wonderful story.
I like Harry Potter too. The story is very exciting. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and fantasy movies. They are very entertaining. What about you?
I like action and sci-fi movies. They are very thrilling. We should watch a movie together sometime.
Yes, that would be fun. Let's plan it soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Laura.
See you, Kevin. Have a nice day. Hi, Ben. How are you?
Hi, Alice. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. It's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I love sunny days. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. I like the warm weather. What about you?
I like autumn. The weather is cool, and the leaves are beautiful.
Autumn is nice. Do you like winter?
Winter is okay. I don't like the cold, but I like the snow. Do you like winter?
I like winter too. I enjoy building snowmen and drinking hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate is great. Do you ski or snowboard in winter?
No, I don't. I like to ice skate. What about you?
I ski sometimes. It is fun. What do you like to do in summer?
I like to swim and go to the beach. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like the beach. I also like to go hiking in summer.
Hiking is fun. Do you go hiking often?
Yes, I go hiking with my family. We like to explore new trails.
That sounds nice. Do you have a favorite hiking trail?
Yes, there is a trail near the lake. It is very beautiful. Do you have a favorite place to swim?
Yes, I like to swim at the community pool. It is clean and safe.
That's good. Do you swim often?
Yes, I swim 3 times a week in summer. It is good exercise.
Swimming is great exercise. I should swim more often.
Yes, you should. It is fun and healthy. What do you like to do in spring?
In spring, I like to ride my bike and see the flowers. What about you?
I like to have picnics and go for walks in the park.
Picnics are fun. We should have a picnic together sometime.
Yes, that would be nice. Let's plan one soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Alice.
See you, Ben. Have a great day.
Hi, Lisa. How are you?
Hi, Sam. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thanks. What are you doing here?
I am buying food for my cat. What about you?
I am buying a toy for my dog. Do you have a cat?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Whiskers. Do you have a dog?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. What does your cat like to eat?
She likes to eat fish and cat food. What does your dog like to eat?
Max likes to eat meat and dog food. What color is your cat?
Whiskers is gray with white spots. What color is your dog?
Max is brown with black spots. Do you play with your cat?
Yes, I play with her every day. She likes to chase a ball. Do you play with your dog?
Yes, I play with Max in the park. He likes to fetch sticks. Does your cat like to sleep a lot?
Yes, she sleeps a lot during the day. Does your dog like to run?
Yes, Max loves to run. He is very active. How old is your cat?
Whiskers is 3 years old. How old is your dog?
Max is 4 years old. Do you take your cat to the vet?
Yes, I take her to the vet once a year. Do you take Max to the vet?
Yes, I take him twice a year. It is important for their health. Do you have any other pets?
No, I only have Whiskers. Do you have any other pets?
No, I only have Max. Pets are a lot of fun.
Yes, they are. We should have a pet playdate sometime.
That sounds like a good idea. Let's plan it soon.
Okay. I have to go now. See you later, Sam.
See you, Lisa. Have a great day.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!